Everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dimension style in Autocad. This is an important skill that helps you customize the appearance of your dimensions based on your project needs. First, open Autocad and go to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on the Home tab, then find the Annotation panel. From there, click on the Dimension Style button to open the Dimension Style Manager. In the Dimension Style Manager, click on New. This will open a dialog box where you need to give your new dimension style a name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, then click Continue. Now you will see the Dimension Style settings where you can customize everything. Start with the Dimension Lines tab to adjust things like color and line type. Next, go to the Extension Lines tab to control how the lines extend from your object. You can also set the arrowhead style, choosing between different types like closed-filled arrows or architectural ticks. Then adjust center marks and dimension breaks if needed, especially for circles or overlapping dimensions. You can also control symbols like arc length if your drawing requires it, and use jog dimensions for more complex cases. In the Text tab, customize the size, font, and appearance of your dimension text to match your drawing style. The Fit tab helps you manage how text and arrows are displayed when there is limited space. Finally, check the primary units, alternative units, and tolerances to make sure your dimensions follow the required standards. Once you finish all the settings, click OK to save your dimension style, then click Close to exit the manager. Now you have successfully created your own dimension style, and you can use it in your drawings to make them look clean and professional. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.